Hello again, everyone. Perfect Storm Trading here. Monday morning, October 4th, 2021. Let's take a look at the Astro Excel tool. Let's get the general trend for the week ahead. This is a 60-minute chart of the ES. We're back on the ES today. We've got the Astro Excel on the bottom. You can see I have the green line, blue line. I do not have the gray line on here on the 60-minute. And above that we have the Cosmo chart, and I have it pulled apart and opened up. That's why you see the little bumps on the Cosmo with this time frame. As of Sunday night, we made high in the green line. We had the high in the market corresponding to that. So now the green line is down until this morning at about 0600 or 0800, and then the blue line bottoms with that sometimes between 8 and 9:40, but right around that 8 o'clock area the green line turns up, so we should get some sort of significant point there. So we'll see what happens in this hour. It's just after 7 right now. We just started that bar. Now we'll be pushing up gradually. We've got a small high in the green line and a corresponding blue line high a little bit after 2 this afternoon, about 2:15, and then both lines head down. We make a significant bottom here on the blue line between about 1840 and 1930 tonight. The green line continues to go down in bottoms. Tomorrow on the 5th we get a bottom between 8:52 and 10:11 a.m. The blue line spike low happens just in front of that. We've got a little double bottom spike where the second bottom corresponds with the beginning of the low on the green line, about 8:35. Green line continues up, makes a high with the blue line high about 1910 tomorrow night. Then the green line heads down into the 6th. But in that period, we are making a couple of moves in there. You can see we're going to come down, we're going to make a low. We got a bottom here, and then we do come back up. We're going to bounce into a high point here, and then we move down to that low on the 6th from this high where I'm marking that now. So you can see there's a little bit of a bigger pattern, and then there's a smaller ABC pattern inside of that bigger pattern. So we've got these corresponding highs and lows along with that. So we're going to go down into the 6th. From the daily bar swing points, we had a low coming in on the 5th or 6th. We also have a big exaltation period on the Vedic chart, which is going to indicate that most likely we're going to have a low on the 5th or 6th and then get a turnaround bounce. So if this low comes on the 6th in the evening here about 1947 to 2000, about 8 o'clock, we bottom out on both lines, and then we trade up on the green line into the 8th till about 3 a.m., and then we move down from there to close out the week. So some of the bigger pivot points then, we've got this spike high on the blue line at about 1600 on the 6th. Then the area this low on the 6th we just mentioned. We've got a spike on the blue line in that uptrend on the 7th at about 5:30 a.m. Green line is pushing up. We make that little green line bounce down into this corresponding moon low at about 2:10 in the afternoon on the 7th. The next big spike comes Friday morning at 6:30, and then another big moon spike at 9:11 in the morning before the open. So that's the general roadmap for the week with some of the key pivot points. Tomorrow we'll come back and take a look at the Vedic chart and overlay that and see how that might impact into this. We don't have any significant timing windows on the Vedic today, but we do have a couple tomorrow, and we'll incorporate those into that next video. So that's it for today. We'll be back again tomorrow, and we'll get you another update then.